Today is October 14th, 2015. This is the pre-departure video for the 99 Haas VF-5. We're going to go ahead and run it through its paces. This is the final check of the machine before it leaves. We do have the shipping bracket, which will be installed before the machine leaves. We're going to fire up the spindle at 2,500 RPMs. We took it up to about 5,000 RPMs. Next what we'll do is an ATC tool change. We'll go in the opposite direction. There is a tool on there. Okay, next what we'll go ahead and do is the coolant up and down. That's all the way down and up. We'll fire up the chip auger. That's going to be forward direction. And we'll go in reverse. Next we're going to go ahead and handle jog this. We'll start with the Y-axis first. Next we're going to go X-axis. And then next we'll go with the Z-axis. We'll also do the tool release button, make sure that's functioning. That's functioning just fine. Shot of the screen here. Next we'll just take a walk around the back of the machine here. We have the screws for the chip chute. We did match the chip chute up. It does match up perfectly. It's the one that came with the machine. Coolant tank, coolant pump. We've got a wash down nozzle, and the foot pads are in the coolant tank. Vector drive's functioning perfectly. We checked that. No faults, anything of that nature. All the boards are good, no errors or anything like that. All systems look good there. Go ahead and verify serial number is 17074, manufactured in 04 of 99. And we got the fourth axis on there. It also has the pump or the filter coming with it. It's a coolant filtration system. Will be coming with the machine as well, and the manual we have. And this concludes the departure video for the 99 Haas VF-5.